Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Jira versus Excel. Jira is a powerful, purpose-built platform for project management, especially within agile environments, focusing on structured workflows and issue tracking. Excel, on the other hand, is a highly flexible spreadsheet application, excellent for data organization, calculations, and custom reporting. The core difference is their design intent. Jira for managing complex projects with defined processes, and Excel for versatile data manipulation and analysis. Understanding this fundamental distinction is key to choosing the right tool for your needs. Jira truly shines in structured project management. It allows teams to automate workflows, ensuring tasks move through defined stages from to-do to done. Its issue tracking is incredibly detailed, linking every task, bug, or feature to a larger project or epic. Collaboration is seamless, with built-in comments and mentions keeping everyone informed. Furthermore, Jira provides powerful reporting dashboards, offering dozens of customizable views into project progress, team capacity, and sprint performance, giving you a clear picture of your work. Excel's greatest strength lies in its incredible versatility with data. It offers unmatched flexibility for entering, calculating, and presenting information. With hundreds of built-in functions, it's perfect for financial modeling, budget management, and performing quick data analysis. You can create highly customized tables, charts, and pivot reports exactly how you need them, without being constrained by a fixed structure. Its widespread availability and ease of use make it an excellent choice for ad hoc tasks, personal organization, or when you need complete control over your data layout. Deciding between Jira and Excel boils down to your specific needs. Choose Jira if you're managing complex projects, especially in agile development, where structured workflows, detailed issue tracking, and team collaboration are paramount. It's built for scale and intricate processes. Opt for Excel when you require maximum flexibility for data manipulation, financial analysis, or simple list management. For small, ad hoc tasks or personal data organization, Excel's simplicity and direct control often make it the more efficient choice, offering immediate results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.